Hey, what's up everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's video will be an extensive showcase of genuinely incredible website designs created entirely within Wix's user-friendly platform. As one of the world's most popular drag and drop website builders, Wix makes it possible for anyone to build a polished professional website regardless of your coding skills. But don't think that using Wix means compromising on design, and that's the beauty of it. So in this video, I'll thoroughly walk through numerous stunning examples that prove Wix sites can achieve exceptionally clean, modern, and visually striking aesthetic, rivaling the best web designs out there. And you can obviously use all of this for inspiration. So let's dive into these skillfully executed Wix websites. To kick things off, we have brownowlcreative.com. This is a great example of well-crafted web designs. It's a gorgeous agency website that has clearly great thoughts put into every single element, resulting in a remarkably refined user experience. Right away, you can notice their bold color palette that catches the eye instantly, mixing deep reds, blacks, and whites for several visually impacting effects. Scrolling down reveals some brilliant use of negative space to avoid a cluttered kind of feel. And we also have images that are given room to breathe while providing interesting textures. Clicking on the hamburger menu unveils a sliding sidebar with delightfully smooth animations, which creates unique effects as you navigate. It's those subtle effects that add a memorable interactive touch. We also have some thoughtful typography choices providing visual hierarchy. We have the sleek fonts for headlines and the icons that reinforce connections through precise weighing and sizing. You can keep all of those details in mind when crafting your own website design in order to have an amazing, professional, and polished looking website that will generate a serious amount of traffic over time. Next up, we have filmfolly.be. This demonstrates world-class visual storytelling skills. This video production agency makes exceptional use of compelling images, film clips, and motion graphics to fully immerse the viewer in their services. Right from the homepage, you're hooked by the unbelievably eye-catching designs. And as you scroll down, we have brilliant animated illustrations that explain their offerings while injecting welcome whimsy. Background videos that highlight the company's immense talent for cinematography and videography. We have live streaming capabilities that are boldly showcased through video demos, proving their team's expertise in dynamic film production. This website leaves absolutely no doubt that Filmfolly can produce captivating videos that connect with audiences on a deeper level. Moving next, we have onioneducation.com. This is a brilliantly executed minimalist website. Simplicity in design often requires great skill, and their smart use of video backgrounds adds the perfect amount of vibrancy. Playful string art headers grab attention while maintaining generous negative space around each element. Scattered custom illustrations blend seamlessly with the text to get key points across in a friendly yet professional way. We've also got the vivid pops of color to liven up the palette, creating a cheerful vibe perfect for an educational brand. You also have the videos sprinkled throughout to engage viewers with quick emotion. Onion Education has crafted a distinct minimalist brand voice that shines despite the overall simplicity of the site's layout and framework. ParadigmDesign.com takes a boldly minimalist approach to an extreme degree. To highlight this, I wanted to showcase the subtle yet captivating animated intro that fades in on page load. The solitary word logo and completely plain backgrounds are almost jarringly bare. Yet smart use of ample white space maintains visual interest and draws focus to the scattered text and imagery. Through intentional removal of absolutely all unnecessary elements, they've created an ultra-minimalist aesthetic that feels very modern. And for brands seeking an intentionally pared-down, cutting-edge site, Paradigm Design sets a new standard with their flawless execution. And now let's explore some photography website examples. For photographers, strong visuals are an absolute necessity. LeishaWilliamsPhoto.com delivers those in spades through artfully designed galleries that let Leisha's images speak entirely for themselves. A refined curation of portraits, landscapes, architectures, and more create a portfolio showcasing Leisha's immense talent behind the lens. From dreamlike forests to intimate portraits overflowing with emotion, every single photograph feels like its own work of art. Her About page also stands out, sharing an endearing origin story providing a genuine insight into Leisha the person. This personal touch helps from a deeper human connection beyond just a business transaction. So for photographers seeking to showcase their work online in the best light possible, Leisha sets an aspirational example of polished design strictly focused on the visuals themselves. The next website that we have is awkwardphotovideo.com. This one demonstrates similar mastery of showcasing top-notch photography. Their signature style uses strong geometric fonts to complement absolutely gorgeous portrait and landscape images. We have moody, sophisticated color schemes and generous negative space to reinforce the artistic vibe. The single long homepage provides an in-depth company overview with key info readily accessible. For visual creative professionals like photographers and videographers, Awkward Photo has nailed an expertly crafted website, radiating the same passion for quality as their work itself. It immediately instills confidence in their skills and flair for compelling imagery. Next up, we have ChristyHoadley.com. This photography website delivers serious visual impact. The gallery images, paired with unique or playful fonts, bring Christie's work to life in almost a magical way. We have dreamlike portraits, a forest scene, and creative composed architecture shots that feel like individual masterpieces. Christie has crafted a collection that draws you in and intrigues the imagination. And yet, despite the artistic focus, the site also provides plenty of professional details about Christie's offerings, also the pricing and the packages, which blends business with beauty seamlessly. So for photographers seeking to deliver an experience beyond just images, Christie sets an inspirational vibe with her website's refined design. And now for e-commerce websites, compelling visual presentation of products is an absolute must. AnnJensenBeauty.com nails this with an amazing eye-catching interface that beautifully showcases their line of fragrances. We have glossy, subtly animated product shots that are presented through hover effects, crisp menus, and smart calls to action that make navigation effortless. Engaging across both desktop and mobile, customers are sure to return thanks to this irresistible way that the products are displayed. So from perfumes to body care or makeup, the polished up-close photography and stylish menus conjure up feelings of luxurious indulgence. And for an e-commerce brand, especially in the beauty space, this amazingly crafted design is truly best in class. And now we move to a daringly experimental design, which is animalmusicweb.com. They have a great color palette, abstract geometric shape, unusual kind of natural textures that make it genuinely one of a kind. By embracing creative risks, they've achieved a website full of imagination and visual innovation. While this is not right for every brand or niche, they do set an example for a limitless possibility for outside-the-box kind of web design available with Wix. And finally, we have a best-in-class portfolio site. We have TobiasBex.com, which delivers a refined user experience befitting its world champion athlete founder. Visitors here get an immersive look into Tobias's jaw-dropping skills on the pitch, through mesmerizing slow-motion videos and crisply shot photos. This brilliant portfolio demonstrates the polished design work with Wix that can truly be empowering when in the hands of talented creators. Whether it's for personal brands, artists, or professionals, you can really think outside the box using Wix and create a design that's one of a kind. So those were just a sampling of the exceptional caliber of websites that you can build using Wix's user-friendly tools. Hopefully that this extensive walkthrough has provided great inspiration for your own Wix site. Let us know which designs you found most visually impressive, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for future videos.